So how do patents impact a startup's ability to attract corporate clients? First, it's a credibility boost. Patents signal innovation and technical expertise, enhancing a startup's credibility with potential corporate clients. There's the exclusivity appeal. Corporate clients may be attracted to startups with patented technologies that offer exclusive solutions. There's also risk mitigation aspects. Patents can assure corporate client about legality and originality of the startup's offerings. There's also competitive differentiation. Patented technologies help startups stand out in competitive bidding processes for corporate contracts. Also, there's long-term partnership potentials. Patents suggest a startup's commitment to ongoing innovation, appealing to corporations seeking long-term partners.
RTMS.
Give me life, give me life.